Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Minimalist living room decor embraces the philosophy of less is more, creating a serene and uncluttered space that prioritizes simplicity, functionality, and a sense of calm. This design approach eschews excess ornamentation, favoring clean lines, neutral color palettes, and a purposeful selection of essential elements. At the heart of a minimalist living room is the concept of decluttering. Furniture choices are deliberate and functional, focusing on pieces that serve a purpose without unnecessary embellishments. Simple and streamlined sofas, chairs, and tables often take center stage, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Color plays a pivotal role in minimalist living room decor. Neutral tones, such as whites, grays, and muted earthy hues, dominate the palette. These understated colors contribute to a sense of tranquility and timelessness, allowing the focus to shift towards the form and function of the furniture and architectural elements. The minimalist aesthetic extends to the choice of accessories and decor. Instead of an abundance of decorative items, a few carefully selected pieces with clean lines and simple shapes become focal points. Functional elements, like a sleek coffee table or a well-designed bookshelf, contribute to the overall aesthetic while maintaining a sense of order. Lighting in a minimalist living room is often unobtrusive yet strategically placed to enhance the space. Recessed lighting or pendant lights with clean and simple designs provide ample illumination without overpowering the room. Large windows allow natural light to flood the space, further emphasizing the open and uncluttered feel. The arrangement of furniture in a minimalist living room is thoughtful and purposeful. Negative space is embraced, allowing each piece to stand out and be appreciated individually. Open floor plans are common in minimalist design, fostering a sense of flow and connectivity between different areas of the living space. Textures take center stage in minimalist decor, adding visual interest without compromising simplicity. Subtle variations in materials, such as a plush rug, a textured throw, or a matte-finished accent wall, create depth and warmth. These carefully chosen textures contribute to a sensory richness that complements the restrained aesthetic. In essence, minimalist living room decor is an intentional and mindful approach to design. It transcends trends, emphasizing timeless elegance and the inherent beauty of simplicity. This style encourages a focus on what truly matters within the living space, fostering an environment of tranquility and functionality that aligns with the principles of a minimalist lifestyle.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!